Yeah, Matt, you missed the point on this. Here's your symbol right here, and I get what you did. I mean, I get it. But you're pointing to this light right here. But where is the light actually? Well, I put this cabinet right underneath. I centered the cabinet right underneath the light, right? Well, let me make sure I did this. Oh, well, which light are you looking at? What's this? Hang on a second. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. What's new? What's this right here? Tab. What is this? Select all, unlock. What's that right there, buddy? Oh, is that just a CAD block? No, that's actually the light. Oh, I saw I moved it over there. Okay, never mind. All right, so Control C, Control V. I don't know what the other one is. So this is. Well, wait a second. Did you do it? No, you didn't do it. See, that cabinet should be centered right underneath that light. But the light is really back here. You see what I'm saying? The light, the symbol is actually back here. So I'm trying to get that arrow to point to exactly where that symbol is, but it's really back here. If you saw my video, you'd know what I don't even know why I can't even select that son of a gun. What's this right here, man? What is this? That's a CAD block. Yeah, that's the CAD block you're using. Yeah, I mean, so what? And so, see the symbol. Well, you get the point. It's not centered. That's the point. And I don't know what you're getting at here. Oh, we make a separate symbol for each installation of a hold down type, size, and anchor. Now, hold on a second. Let me try something. Hold on. Yeah, okay, Matt. I just pulled up my plan that I was working on. I was creating these hold downs, Alt J, and look at my framing plan. See, and I can see those hold downs right there. And I don't know how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess 5 of them. I think something screwed up over here, though. But you know, the whole point of this was I don't know if this makes any sense or not. But schedules. When I made these symbols, I called them furniture. Okay, so now I'm going to use the furniture schedule and stick it right there. Now I got FO1. HDU2s, and I got 6 of them. Yeah, there they are. Where are they in the picture? I guess they're in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see only 5. There's probably another one lying around there somewhere, but it might not be on the right layer or something. But see, and it's just going to give you a count. So you ask, would you make a symbol for each one? I think you would if you wanted to use the schedule. And do you really want to use a schedule? I don't know. And so, hang on, furniture. So I'm going to call this hardware schedule. You got what I'm saying? There's a hardware schedule, and I got and so let's see. Hold on a second. I'm gonna try. Go here, desktop plans, hardware. This is my hardware folder that I'm just starting up. Depository plan. Let's see if I got it. Yeah. Okay. So here, Control C. Control V, I'm going to put a strap in here. And see, now the strap's showing up here, ST623. Oh, furniture 1. Oh, because that's how I named it, U. I was just putzing around. Layer. Hang on. Open symbol. Give it a name. ST6236. Done. Okay, so now I got one ST6236 in here, and it's on floor number 1. Control C, stick another one there. Now I got 2 of them. Now I make a new floor for it. Build... Oh, I inserted a new floor. That wasn't smart, was it? Control Z. I want to build a new floor. Hang on. Build new floor. Right there. Yeah, fine. Yep, fine. So now if I go back down here, I can select 1, 2, and how about a couple hold downs. Control C, go up a level. 6 to paste in place. Now let's check out our schedule. Oh. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's right. I've got 2 ST6236 on first floor, and I got 2 of the ST6236s. I got 2 of them right here on the second floor, and I have one HD. I have only one HDU2 on the second floor. One of those things that I transferred up to the second floor. Control C, go up a level. 6 was probably not really a hold down. This is probably just that's not even a hold down, I guess. I don't know. Delete. Yeah, I still have one. But if I copy this over here, Control C, Control V, stick it right there. Now I got two of them, see? And so that's what I'm sort of aiming at. So your question was, would you have a separate symbol for each one? I think so. For each, like an HDU2, an HDU4, an HDU5, I guess you got to make another, a separate one so you get the right label and you get the right count. And hanger's the same thing. And here, now this is sort of this is how I'm getting at this thing. See, I've got this stuff I got all this stuff in a plan. Remember this plan I just opened up, depository plan? I mean, they're probably in my library, but actually, this is my depository plan. I don't know what this, I don't know, one of these probably in the symbol. Hang on a second, let's see, tools, schedule, furniture. You think there are, I got two of them. Why are they on different layers? U is probably on a different layer. Layer, hardware. Where's this? U is probably on furniture layer. Layer, yeah, hardware. HARD. Boop, done. So that doesn't have the same line style. That's why I caught it. Different line styles. So yeah, and so this is my depository plan. I'm just kind of playing around with this thing. So I think there's going to be a bunch of hangers right here, LUSs and S. And when I call out an LUS on my framing plan, I call out a LUS. I don't call it an LUS 2.6 or 2.8, or I don't right now anyway. I let the framers figure that out. It's just, I mean, how detailed do we need to get on this stuff? That's what you gotta have to kind of decide. Yeah, I mean, material counts, I really don't want to get into that too much. I mean, eventually I think it'll get there. I'm just not sure if it's there yet. And you know, when you have as far as a hanger goes, I think I would just make one hanger. Here, this thing right here. Control C, Control V, U. Oh, I bet I can't. Here's the question. Can I simply open that up and change that to an HDU4 without the other one changing? That's the question. Open symbol. I just changed it to an HDU4. Open the label. Open it up. U. Label. HDU4. Okay, now you're going to see the label show up, HDU4. So now the question, yeah, there you go. See, and so I'm using the same symbol. And who's going to know the difference between 3 inches or 4 inches? I mean, if you want to make it exact, you can. But you notice I just made one hole down, and now I've got two for my library. Is that kind of cool? W. I don't know what this is. I don't know. This is your thing didn't work. I'm just telling you, it didn't work. That was the deal. I don't even know if you spent time looking at my videos that I did on this. If you did, you'd understand what the whole issue was. And the whole issue was, what's this? This is my plan. Yeah. So and now I'm going to copy another one. Okay. And so I've already started this. At first I thought this was going to be a lot of work to make these symbols. It really isn't. Control C, Control V, open symbol, HDU5, and if I want, I can change it up a little bit size-wise, and U label HDU5. So now let's check my thing. See, I got that's the HDU. Oh, that's not the depository plane. Here we go. I got an HDU2, an HDU4, an HDU5. You open it up, close it up, and number. Yeah, see, I wouldn't do those numbers. Here's the question. Why does it go HDU425? Why didn't it go 245? You know what I'm saying? Some kind of alphabetical deal going on there. Oh, because how about if I don't want to use numbers. I don't like numbers. There. You think it changed? Okay. No, it still didn't. It didn't read 245, and I don't care if it does or not, quite frankly. That's kind of cool. And now here's one right here. Control C, Control V. I don't know how long this is. I don't know how long that is. U. what is it? Oh, I guess this should be 36 inches long, okay? Done. Now, Control-C, Control-V, U, 24. I'll make that 24 inches long. Label this ST6224. Delete. Okay. And it's the right size. Hang on a second. I got to open the symbol, I think. ST6224. Right. Right. Did I do that right? Open symbol. Okay. And now this open the symbol. There. Now I've got an ST. I've already made 4 more symbols. It took me seconds. And that probably pretty much does the trick. So we're on our way to using these things if we want. And the idea behind these things was and so this is going to be a depository. So W, watch this. U, line style 10 is good enough. I want to put an arrow on the back of it. It's going to be round 3.9 to here, there. And so when I want to copy this thing, I'm going to, if I want to put one of these in my plan, I'm going to go, I think I'm going to do this. I'm going to go Control-C, Control-V, and stick it. I'm in my new plan, right? Now I go 0 to copy and place, 9 point to point, bump, bump. It's right by a post. 0, point to point, 0, copy it. I want to put want one right there. There we go. So it's really not that big of a deal. I did it. Since I can rotate this symbol around and move it, this is probably my new way of doing hold downs right now, quite frankly. And look how many hold downs. I got to count them. Is that kind of freaking cool, man? So that was the idea behind it. It was so I didn't have to put this arrow in there. And I guess I have to until Chief figures out how to give me a label with an arrow to it. And now I can just make my LUSs and my IT, what are the ITs, and my post bases. Think about that, man. I mean, we can start making these post bases. And this is the way I'm going to do a post base, I think. Sort of like this, I think. I don't know. No, a post base would probably have an arrow pointing to the post. If you got what I'm saying. Yeah. See, if this was a post base, I'd probably take this arrow and I'd pull it back here, and you can, and that would be U, and that would be an arrow like E. I don't know, what kind of arrow do you like? This one? There. How would I? But actually, what I like to do is go U, label 4x4/H. That's how I call the stuff out. It kind of kills a couple birds with one stone, if you know what I'm saying. So I'd have to kind of work this out. And once I have this in my, hey, since I'm here, I was going to do a video on this, and this is sort of a cool little thing. So, so you're going to make these symbols, and do you put them in the library? That's my question. Are you going to put it in the library? I say no. In fact, here, just what I'm going to probably do is open the symbol up, 2D block. You think that's going to work? Yeah, that's even better. Now it reads even better, man. Open symbol, 2D block, give it a fill of black. Now when I put that thing in my plan, that hold down, that strap pops. It's going to pop. The hold downs pop because I have this big circle here, which represents the anchor bolt. Oh, yeah, you asked about the anchor bolts. I don't specify HDU2 with a retrofit and stuff. I kind of bubble a detail over here, and I don't know. These guys have to think a little bit, the framers. They got to think, oh, I'm going to put an HDU2, and this is an existing slab. I better use a retrofit. Look at his retrofit detail, and you know how to do it. Would I show the bolt? If I show the idea behind this stuff is not to make these symbols super complicated. If you make them really complicated, an exact replica, then they're going to have a lot of faces, and it's going to take a lot of space in the model. I think that's what Johnny PC asked about. Make them simple, man. So yeah, why are you doing them simple? I don't know. This isn't really important stuff, I know, but just in the future it might be, and you might want to show it, and I don't know. Oh, but this is what I want to show you. Hold on a second. Now, forget it. This is what I'm going to show you. Here's a question. Library. No. Control open. Do you put your stuff in libraries or not? I got to tell you, I rarely use libraries because when I go to plans, this is what I have. I don't use it all the time, but oh, come on. Oh, I know. I didn't put this Mozy stuff not on. Give me a second. I'll find it in a second. My owner. Oh, documents not. This is what I have. Plant folder. Here. I have a plan. This is like a warehouse. If I want some plants for my model, HView, I have them all in a plan right here. I don't have them in my library. These are the ones that I like to use. And I just come over here and pluck them out. And the problem with this is you get too much of this stuff in there, and it slows it down. You can see how slow this is taken to open up. But these are all my plans, and I can look at them and I say, oh, yeah, I think I want these pine trees over here in this my particular model. Actually, I kind of copy from one plan to the other, but or I like this tree. I can visually see what it is. You know what I'm saying? Watch this. Don't save. Here's another one I have. That's the plant folder. I don't use this all the time, but I think it's the way to do it. Materials to save, I think. Nope. Mine documents not on Mozy Pro. Furniture plans. Obviously, I don't use this all the time. Oh, here's another one that's kind of neat. Oh, I got pendant lights. You ever looking for a particular pendant light? I put them in a warehouse. This is the DSH warehouse, Shift G. And so you want to look for a particular pendant light? I just put all these things in one particular plan. They're not in my library. And if I like them, I go, well, that's the one I'm going to put in this new plan I'm working on. And if I ever had a faster computer, I wouldn't have to wait this long. See? I can look at all this stuff. I can go, oh, I like this. No, it's a warehouse. Isn't that kind of cool? I'll be quite frank with you. I don't use this that much, but I should use it more. I don't get too carried. Anyway. And here's another one that's kind of don't save. Here's another one that's kind of neat. Open. In fact, I might use this one. This next one I'm doing. Cabinet backsplashes. I don't do backsplashes the way Chief does. I use molding polylines for my backsplashes because I like a multiple of materials on my backsplash, or I want to have the option of having it. So I'm just using molding polylines, and I copy them from one plan to the other, and I kind of have a generic style that I like to use. Yeah, see this? This is my warehouse of cabinets, cabinet materials, countertop materials. Look at the different backsplashes. You know, I got some subway tile and blah, blah, blah. I was just, this is a while back that I did this, and here's, just a smattering of materials. It's a lot easier to find this stuff if it's in a showroom versus if it's in the library. And these are just moldings. Anything else good in here? Nah. So anyway, hey, thanks for your interest. Thanks, Matt. That's it.